Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best drones for photography available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Potensic Atom 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone. I'll be honest, I had modest expectations for the camera quality given the price point and weight constraints. However, the Sony Syma sensor delivers results that genuinely surprised me. The 4K footage at 30 FPS is sharp, with good color reproduction and decent dynamic range for a drone in this category. This is where the Atom really shines. The 3-axis brushless gimbal is smooth, responsive, and remarkably effective. The 3-battery system is brilliant. Each battery gives me approximately 32 minutes of flight time under normal conditions, which means I can fly for over an hour and a half before needing to recharge. This extended flight capability has fundamentally changed how I approach drone photography sessions. At number 2 is the Holy Stone GPS drone. The 85 degrees wide-angle lens captures expansive landscapes without the fisheye distortion I've seen on some competitors. I particularly appreciated the 90 degrees adjustable gimbal, which I could control seamlessly through both the remote controller and the HS Fly app. The enhanced remote controller with direct smartphone connection eliminated the frustrating connection drops I've experienced with other drones. The modular battery design is practical, easy to swap and charge separately. The claimed 20-minute flight time proved accurate in real-world conditions. I averaged 18 to 22 minutes depending on wind conditions and how aggressively I was flying. Having tested this in both calm conditions and moderate wind, 15 to 20 miles per hour, I found the battery life remained consistent. At number 3 on our list is the DJI Neo mini drone. The 4K UHD recording captures sharp, detailed footage that I've successfully used in professional client work. The colors are vibrant and accurate, and the dynamic range, while not matching larger professional drones, is more than adequate for social media content and casual videography. What truly impressed me was the stabilization technology. I tested the Neo during a windy day at the beach with level 4 wind conditions, and the footage remained surprisingly smooth. The subject tracking feature is where the DJI Neo becomes more than just a camera drone, it becomes a personal videographer. I tested this extensively during various activities, from hiking to playing basketball with friends. While DJI doesn't heavily advertise flight time, I found the battery typically lasted 12 to 15 minutes of active flying. This is reasonable for the size and weight class, but it means planning multiple battery cycles for longer shooting sessions. Moving up at number 4 is the Cheerwing Syma X5 SWV3 FPV drone. I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting much from a budget-friendly drones camera. However, the upgraded 720p HD camera completely changed my perspective. My first aerial shots were crisp, clear, and had that cinematic quality I'd only seen from much more expensive drones. The 2.4 GHz system provided reliable control at distances that exceeded my comfort zone for a beginner. I wasn't initially interested in the aerobatic features, but the 3D flip function became surprisingly addictive. Watching the drone perform perfect 360-degree flips never got old, and it became a crowd pleaser whenever I flew in front of friends and family. The real-time FPV transmission through my smartphone was where this drone truly shined. Watching the live feed as I piloted the drone gave me an incredible sense of actually flying. At number 5 is the DEERC D20 mini drone. I'll be honest, I didn't expect much from the camera initially. However, the 720p HD camera genuinely surprised me with its clarity and color accuracy. While it's not going to compete with professional drones, for a kid's drone in this price range, the video quality is remarkably good. The 80 degrees field of view wide-angle lens captures much more of the scene than I anticipated. During my test flights in our backyard, I was able to get sweeping shots of our entire property that looked quite cinematic for such a small device. The inclusion of 2 modular batteries is brilliant. Each battery provides approximately 8 to 10 minutes of flight time, which is typical for drones in this category. However, having 2 batteries means the fun doesn't stop when one dies, you simply swap them out and keep flying. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.